Now here's something else we're doing that's kind of fun. For years, we've sold a product called the Tidy Pen for removing labels and tapes and adhesives and things that are sticky.
Right.
People say, that's nice, but I've got fluxes we need to remove. And the Tidy Pen doesn't work great on fluxes.
Especially with lead-free and the higher reflow temperatures, etc.
The technology has changed.
Yeah.
So what we have done is perfected 3 of our best-selling formulas and adapted them into the pen format. So now if you just want to do a tiny little touch-up right on one spot of a board or around a chip, you can do it for a no-clean, for an OA water-soluble, or for our standard rosin or synthetic flux.
Great idea.
Big time saver and incredibly convenient.